Guys, the truth is out. Thumeka, Hlatsi and everyone else found out about the country's favorite toddler on this week's episode of Inimba. So, on this video, I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that you can expect on the show this week, starting from Monday the 3rd of November to Friday the 7th of November 2025. So, let's get into the video and start with the Monday episode 146 that will air on the 3rd of November 2025. And this episode is titled Unsettled Dust. Old wounds refuse to heal as Zweleka and Lazarus fight for calm. Hlathi's temper tests Thumeka's strength, and Qhawe stands between family and ambition. One wrong move threatens to reopen scars no one's ready to face. Now, let us quickly go to the Tuesday episode that will air on the 4th of November 2025. And this episode is episode number 146, and the title is The Summons. A knock at the door changes everything for Zweleka. Lazarus prepares for battle while Onga draws a harsh line with Qhawe. Secrets are surfacing and someone is running out of room to hide. On the Wednesday episode, the episode that will air on the 5th of November 2025, and this is episode number 148, titled No Turning Back. Control slips through Hlathi's hands as Thumeka finally pushes back. Zweleka and Lazarus take a bold stand to protect their own, but at Khusela, Qhawe's determination sparks a storm she can't contain. Taking us now to Thursday, the 6th of November 2025, an episode that is titled The Crossroads, and this is episode number 149. The lines between love and loyalty blur for Thumeka and Hlathi. Zweleka's resolve is tested when the past knocks at her door, and at Khusela, ambition becomes the most dangerous game of all. Now that takes us to the final episode of the week, which is the Friday episode. That is episode number 150, titled Drawing the Lines. And on this episode, Zweleka refuses to bend under pressure as Hlathi plays dirty. Lazarus faces a truth he can't escape. Qhawe's humiliation forces her to choose between pride and power. So guys, that is all you can expect on this week's episode of Inimba, and that is starting from Monday the 3rd of November 2025 to Friday the 7th of November 2025. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do like the video if you enjoyed content, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.